Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and I love a good cookie. There is a website that I particularly love their dessert ideas, and it's called All Day I Dream About Food. On this particular website, I found a recipe for keto cherry chocolate chunk cookies, and that is indeed a mouthful. This recipe allows me to use fresh cherries in addition to sugar-free chocolate chunks to make these cookies. I'm looking forward to an extremely delicious treat. I invite you to join me, so let's get to it. To begin this recipe, I have mise en place the following ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of almond flour, and I'm going to add that to my bowl. I have 3/4 cup of swerve brown sugar. I have 1/4 cup of collagen protein powder. I have 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I am going to mix all the dry ingredients together, and then I'm going to stir in the egg, 1/2 cup of melted butter that I will stir in, and I will mix all of those ingredients until the dough starts to come together. Using my KitchenAid, I'm going to put this on the stir function. You could also just use a whisk to bring this together. My oven is right now preheating at 350 degrees. I have a sheet pan with parchment ready to go. So this is pretty well mixed now. So what I'm going to do is stir in the egg and the melted butter. The dough has pretty much come together. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to stir in 2/3 of the chocolate. This is unsweetened Hershey's chocolate. And I'm going to stir in all of the cherries. I'm going to try to be careful not to crush the cherries too much. I'm going to stir in the cherry extract and the vanilla extract. Smells delicious. The recipe says that this should make 15 cookies. Well, it looks like it'll make about 18 cookies. I'm going to put this in the oven and bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes. That will depend on your oven. See you back here. So these are the extra cookies that I would have liked, and they were in the oven for 13 minutes. So make sure you keep an eye on the oven. But at the end of your bake time, you want to take the last third of your chocolate chips and just add them to the top of the hot cookie. And what you want to do is let them cool completely in the pan. As you know, almond cookies are very, very delicate, and they have to cool completely before you can use them.